Hi, my name is Laila Hardisty, and I'm a solutions engineer here at Luminoso. And today I'll be explaining how to use our solutions wheel file. So what is a wheel file? It's a distribution format used to bundle and then distribute the code. It simplifies the installation process so that users can get all the necessary files, data, and packages. In essence, you get everything you need to use the Luminoso solutions code all at once. The Luminoso wheel file includes access to scripts like BI tool export, copy shared views, format multiple fields, and sentiment colorization, among so many more. To get the wheel file, you'll first need to go to the Luminoso Insight account on GitHub, and then from there you can access the Sales Engineering Code repository. Once there, you can click on the link under Download Wheel File to take you to the page with our newest releases. On this page, all you need to do is click the file ending in .whl and then the installation PDF. The PDF will help you with the rest of this process and with any other additional steps you might need to or want to do, like downloading Python and creating a virtual environment. One thing I do recommend creating if you're going to be using Luminoso scripts would be to create a Luminoso folder on your computer. This is where you can store everything Luminoso related, such as the wheel file and the PDF you just downloaded. In order to begin the process of downloading the wheel file, to access the scripts, you will need to open up Terminal if using a Mac, or your command prompt if using Windows. The rest of this video will be done on a Mac, but the Windows version of all commands will be in the PDF. If this is your first time installing the Luminoso wheel file, you will need to install the Luminoso API by entering pip install luminoso_API. Then you can install the wheel file using pip install SE code, and then I use tab, and make sure it ends in .whl, and I will fill out the rest of it, and then you can just hit enter. Every time after installing the most updated version of the wheel file, you will need to save a Luminoso token. This can be done using the command lumi-save-token, and then you will enter your registered email, and then enter your daylight password, which will not show up when you enter it. And that's all there is to it. Now you have access to all the Luminoso commands listed in the installation PDF so that you can run our scripts. Thank you for listening, and make sure to like and subscribe.